To draw an Amazon parcel, let's start with the back of the box like that. I'm trying to decide how big to have it. Yeah, okay. And then we want to draw 2 lines. So this wants to be parallel here. Parallel and equal. So I think about like that. And then that wants to be parallel too. So it is a parallelogram, okay? And then we need to draw 3 lines. So it's going to be about that deep, and that deep, and that deep. So they need to be the same. And then we need to draw these lines parallel. So it's 3 parallelograms. Okay, and that makes the box. Then if that's like the middle, we want to come just slightly to one side. And we've got to stick our tape down the middle of it. And like that. And here we're going to try and do something clever. And we'll do something like that. Okay. So, and we're not going to be able to do all the writing on there. So just pretend. Okay, and we got that kind of smiley thing there, and that's going to be the writing. And then we want to leave a little gap there, and then we're just going to shade it all in. So this is Amazon Prime sticker tape that's going around the outside. If you shop at Amazon, then you'll know how exciting it is to receive a parcel, and sometimes you can not quite remember what it was that you ordered, which is a bit funny. If you ordered something a few days ago and it's taken a while to get there and you forgot, oh yes, and then it's a nice surprise when it arrives. Here we have some little barcodey things. And then we have this sign on the side saying kind of this way. We've probably got a sticker on there with another barcode. And then we have the all-important Amazon Smile. Such a clever logo. Like that on the side. And you can put a little bit of shadow around it like that. Just make it slightly wider to help put it on the doorstep. Then all you need to do is colour it in, and that's how you draw an Amazon box. Thanks for watching and subscribing to Draw Stuff Real Easy so you can come back and do lots more drawing. Bye.